Alrighty, so me and Jada Baby just got in from Jacksonville. We were there a lot longer than intended. While I was there, I got my hair done as well, but I got a whole bunch of fruits and vegetables and frozen stuff, so I'm about to put all of that stuff away. I have some tea going right now. Unfortunately, I came in contact with someone who works with someone who has COVID, so they have a day before they can take a test to see if they're positive or not. So luckily I have everything I need to keep me good for like a week and a half, if not 2 weeks. So I have some tea that's about to get started. I have all of these fruits and vegetables and everything. So tomorrow, if not today, I'm gonna juice. I'm gonna make a beef stew. I'm gonna show you guys everything. So this will probably be a video that goes into like 2 or 3 days, especially depending on how I feel. My throat is a little funky, so I'm doing everything I need to do right now. I have a few tinctures. I did the dishes before I left, so I have to put those up, but this is gonna be the basic tea for like right now. I have so many other different ones, but I'm gonna do the throat comfort. I have some mullein leaf tincture, and I also have a cold and flu. Which one is this? Oh no, that's lion's mane. I have this cold and flu tincture, and this one is like packed with so many different things: ginger, echinacea, garlic, turmeric, cayenne pepper. Like, it's so much stuff all up in this. So I'm gonna, and my elderberry syrup. So it's gonna be a lot of things that I'm gonna be doing behind the scenes to help my immune system. Hopefully things turn out well. If not, I do have everything I need to make sure that I'll have a not so horrible experience with COVID. And if I do have it, this will be the 3rd time, y'all, that I had this stupid thing. So yeah. Hey, welcome to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany, and I travel full-time on the road with my fur baby Jada and this AirPod 153. We initially started our travels in my self-converted Skoolie named Domino, but with mechanical issue after mechanical issue, it was time to put her in storage and purchase something more reliable. And now I have Tia and Tamara, aka Sister. Join me as I save up to purchase my dream land and navigate life as a solo female traveler. I cannot find the lid to my favorite mug, so that's unfortunate. I'm gonna have to find it somewhere. So let's see if we can get a quick look in here. Some of the things. I have so much stuff. Let's sit this down. So I have my organic apples because I'm gonna make an ABC, the apple, beets, and carrots. So I have my organic beet juice already in the fridge, organic apples. I have some organic carrots in here as well that I'm gonna juice. My grandma, she hooked me up with a lot of other vegetables, and when I'm in Jacksonville, I have vegetables delivered from a local farm out, so I was able to get some string beans, not these strawberries, but oh yeah, that's all my little frozen stuff. There's my organic carrots, and this was some of the stuff from the farm that gets delivered to me. So I have the broccoli, some lettuce, we have zucchini, some tomatoes, and I did get some blueberries. Blueberries are in here somewhere because they're in season, and some blueberries. And then the rest of that stuff is frozen. I have some grass-fed, no hormones and no crazy shenanigans beef. So I'm gonna make some beef stew. I have potatoes, red skin potatoes that were delivered as well. So potatoes, carrots, I am going to throw some zucchini in there because why not? String beans. It's going to be a nice, good beef stew. But yeah, friends, let me go ahead and put all of this stuff away so I don't have to deal with it. And yeah, I'll catch you guys shortly. All right, the freezer, our fridge, is jam-packed. And so is the freezer. Yeah. So I have this plan. When I go back into Jacksonville, y'all, I'm taking this. This is my couch, and so I'm taking the cushion, and I'm gonna have them cut about right here, and I'm gonna have them sew up so it'll be two parts of a cushion, this long piece and then this short piece right here. And I want to keep a lot of vegetables and stuff like that in stock on hand, and I genuinely do not have the space for it. So I purchased this basket, like this 3-tier basket, and it'll fit perfectly in this little space right here. So I'll be able to have a removable cushion since I'm stationary. I'm gonna be stationary for a while. It seems like it's gonna be longer than 3 months, but we'll get to that when we get to that, friends. But for right here, I'm gonna put a shelf here, so I'll be able to put all of my fruits and vegetables that don't need to be refrigerated. I'll be able to have everything right here, and then, you know, once I get back on the road and start traveling, I'll be able to put the cushion right back in place, and, you know, have that 3-tier basket maybe in the back of Tia while I'm driving or whatever. But I really do need a lot more space for my fresh fruits and vegetables, and I believe this is going to be the best way for me to accomplish that. So in about 2 or 3 weeks, I'll be going back to Jacksonville because I have a trip coming up. I'm so excited. And then I'll take you guys along when I pick out. I'm gonna get new couch, like fabric. I'm not gonna use this. Well, I may. I'm not sure. I'll probably end up getting new fabric because I want it bright and colorful and not tan. So yeah. Okay, that's it right now. Y'all, I just ran my hair into like my little thingy. What do you call that thing? See, now I can't even think. The vent that is over my stove, y'all. So this is what it looks like. We'll see how long it takes for it to get back to normal. Oh my gosh, like it wasn't like a super, like I went in there, but it wasn't like I hit it really hard super fast. But good googa mooga. My goodness, let me have my tea. This is just too much. Look at that. Alrighty, so the tea already has mullein leaf in it, but I'm gonna add my own because it's like a small percentage of mullein leaf. So I'll add just a tad bit more. The mullein is really good for helping like pull up all of that phlegm, the mucus in your throat, because that's what you really don't want to keep, mucus. You want it to come up. And then this is that Echinacea Plus, which is the cold and flu. And then this one, you actually can take it, if you're feeling off, you can take it up to 3, let me read it properly. Let's focus, 2 to 3 times a day in your water, juice, or tea. So yeah. And I'm gonna add a little bit of honey, and then that'll be that. So I also got this loaf of like onion bread from the I don't know what, the Fresh Farm box. I'm starving, so it's like about to be 2 o'clock. I haven't had breakfast. I only had my coffee, so I'm about to make a nice tuna sandwich. Yep. So I'm preparing a lunch dinner type situation. And as I'm preparing this, it made me think about one of the comments that was left in one of my last videos. Somebody was like, you cook like an anime character. So right now, this was like the fresh vegetables that I got from that farmer's market type box when I was in Jacksonville. So I have some string beans and broccoli. Then I have zucchini, and I'm gonna do these sweet potato glass noodles, and that'll probably be the meal for the sauce concoction. I'm gonna use some rice vinegar, some of this yellow bird sriracha agave hoisin sauce, sesame seed or sesame oil, some ginger, what is this, roasted garlic base, and I do have some teriyaki sauce just in case it's needed, but I believe this will be a nice good mix. I woke up feeling good today. I've already had my tea and coffee and oatmeal. Sorry, it's probably coffee grinds. Tea, coffee, and oatmeal already today, so it's coming up on 2 o'clock. And yeah, this will be good. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna make that roast beef. I should have started it first thing when I woke up, but I wasn't in the right headspace to like just get up and start preparing dinner and stuff. So that'll be tomorrow's project. And I don't know, I might end up juicing today. I'm not sure, but we shall see.
I always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart, no little by little here. I'm always pushing things too far. 2, 5, 6, 10 drinks at the bar. No boundaries, I get too close. No little by little here. 'Cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little. I pour out my heart. Little by little here. I always run and hit the wall. I'd rather jump and risk the fall. I see no limits in the sky. No little by little here. No, no, got stuck on working on myself. Thought I was wrong and needed help, but I'm just different, something else. No little by little here. 'Cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little. I pour out my heart. No little by little here. I'm gonna go everywhere and be myself, I swear. I'm gonna give my all, 'cause I don't care if people will stop and stare. Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly into the sky. Let me be all that I can be.
Y'all, I'm gonna have to buy me a new computer. So yesterday, which I was gonna make it tomorrow's problem, which is still gonna be tomorrow's problem, but I did all that juicing and washing dishes and all that stuff, and my gray tank was full, y'all. And I've been so good about keeping my bathroom and everything just clean and not having anything in my shower. But you guys saw that I had all of this stuff like on my couch because I'm, sorting my fruit. I was like doing all of this stuff. So I put my book bag, my pink book bag with my laptop in the bathtub, in my little shower. And my dirty clothes, I set them in the shower, y'all. How about the shower overflooded because the water, the gray tank, went full or whatever, and the junk came out the shower. So like my shower water and my sink water came out the shower. So I'm taking all that stuff tomorrow. Like I'm gonna drive the 30 minutes to a real laundromat, and I'm gonna wash all of that stuff. I'm gonna wash my sheets and everything too. Just go do that, and I'm gonna have to buy me a new laptop probably. I mean, yeah, because it's not shutting on, y'all. Like I see the light. Hold on one second. So there's this light saying that it's charging, but when I hit that, y'all, nothing's coming on. It's broke, y'all. And this was a really nice gaming, super fast laptop. When did I get this laptop? In 2020? 2021? I think 2020. That don't even seem long ago, y'all, because this was, I got it on sale under Andrew, like, because he used to work for HP. So this was like a real expensive gaming laptop, but I got it for the homie hookup. And I'm gonna have to call my daddy and have him recommend me a laptop or something, y'all. So yes, I will be going on a real adventure tomorrow. I need a new laptop because I can't edit, y'all. My hard drive was in there too. I believe this is good to go. I really hope it is, because it's really sealed. It's that cord that would maybe cause some issues or that, but this was like together, so I shouldn't have no issues because everything is on there. Like everything is on there. And it's unfortunate because I had my backup stuff from my phone, like just random pictures and videos on my computer. Y'all, this is upsetting. So there's a setback.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all.